Hello YouTubers. So today I'm going to make some corned beef in the slow cooker. You can see it's already in here. Got the fat side up and I've already got the packet on top. So next I'm going to add some onions. I use rather large sizes because it is going to be cooking for such a long time. It's just my preference. So it's about a medium and a half sweet onion, and then I like red skin potatoes. And I'm going to add some chicken stock. It's 2 cans and some water to help fill it up so the meat's covered. And maybe just a splash more. I'm going to top it all off with some cabbage. I like to cut mine down a bit, wedge size, and just put that on top. Now, if you find you have too much cabbage, you can always just put some in, let it cook down for a bit, and then come back and add some more. Because cabbage will take up a lot of space until it cooks down, and then far less. Okay. Top of that, I'm gonna put some garlic seasoning, some freshly ground peppercorn mentally. Now, I will probably come back middle of the day while it's cooking and add some more seasoning, but that's a good amount, and freshly ground sea salt. And because I have the potatoes, and actually, frankly, the cabbage, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in there. That's just to give the potatoes something. I like potatoes with butter. Okay, there we have it. I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to choose 10 hours or so, slow cook on low, because I am doing this early in the morning. If you had less time, you could put it on high for 5 to 6 hours, just to make sure the internal temperature is correct. Okay, there we have it. Some corned beef for the family for dinner. You have a great day, and we'll check back. Okay, here we are 10 hours later, pretty much to the minute. Here we have nicely done potatoes, cabbage, and at the bottom, nice and tender meat. Just pulling apart there. Ooh, look at that. That is going to be tasty for the family. And as something I do on occasion, I may put some Guinness in here to cook with it, but since I didn't today, I'm going to have some on the side. So there you have it. Corned beef in a slow cooker for 10 hours. Tasty. Thank Thank you for watching, and if you like it, subscribe. Thank you.